Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeBattleZone. So today I'm going to show you how you can use the custom CSS in the form. Let's open the form. I already covered how you can create the form, how you can use the inbuilt fill modules in your form. And today I will use the option and going to the advanced settings and use the custom CSS. I'll show you how you can use these options. So let's start. First we need to preview. So if you see for the submit button, it can be central line, that's fine. We can use subtext, test subtext just below the button, not required. Here what we can't do, that is we cannot create a hover effect for the button. Sometimes we need a hover effect for the button, but here we cannot manage that thing from the settings, inbuilt settings. So in that case we can use the custom CSS options. So let's see, we can inspect, then see the class or ID of the button. It's better to use the input type submit. Let's go to the option, advanced settings, custom CSS, input, sorry, can directly use this way. Type submit, can use when input this way, then use the hover option here. Background color we can use red for test now. Let's see what happens. It's saving. Let's reload the page. Reloading, not working. But we can use importing. For many cases we need to use the important to activate the CSS. Actually it allows to override the CSS properly. Still not working. Why? Oh sorry, it was a button. So better to use these things. Actually it was a button, but we used input, so that was my fault. But it's good to practice. Yeah, you can see this is the hover effect. This way we can use the custom CSS options. for many cases we can use these things, like we can inspect the form and you can find the identifier of the elements. Maybe it can be classes, it can be ID. Mostly each field has some unique IDs, first name, last name. Each field has its unique ID. Or if you want to apply a common CSS over all the input fields, then you can just use the input tag. Or for text type field you can use the type text. This way you can style the form, customize the form using custom CSS. Also, sometimes when we submit the form we get the message, we get some message and successful message sometimes, so we need to customize the background color of the message. That time also you can use the custom CSS options, because for the response message we cannot customize their style using the inbuilt options. So that's all for the custom CSS. It's not a big deal, it's very easy to use. You just need to know how to write CSS, that's all, then you can apply. So on next video I will be back with the custom fields. I'll show you how you can use the custom fields and how you can use the form, how to integrate the form, and also I'll let you know how you can set up the notification, admin notification. I mean, when someone submit the form, obviously it's a lead form, so admin will get some notification. Even we can set up a custom notification. So I will give you all the information. It will be advanced options of the forms. It will be so advanced tutorial will be coming soon. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you find that the video is helpful for you. You may also comment over the comment section if you have any queries, and obviously subscribe the channel for the next videos, and you can also share the videos with your friends who want to know regarding GoHighLevel. Thank you. Bye bye.